Next, we have Jolie Mutesi, Miss Rwanda 2016. Yes. Jolie, you wore the crown in 2016 and did it so gracefully. So there are many challenges that you faced during the time, even beyond that. You probably relate to Naomi's stories more than we know. But in your own words, how do you think pageants impact a girl's confidence and identity? Like looking back, how did it shape you as a woman carrying a crown, very young and beautiful?
That's the point.
Thank you.
Thank you, Keza. Good evening, everyone. Allow me to, before going to your question, allow me to first congratulate Naomi for this masterpiece. Naomi, I am so proud of you. When you told me you're writing the book, actually your book has superseded my expectations. When I was reading your book, I could see myself through you. The book is so relatable, different experiences, but we walked almost a similar journey. And the authenticity you put into the book, the way you're vulnerable, makes it even more relatable. And I believe that it's not just relatable to people through the beauty pageant platforms, but for every young person who has been described by the society. We live in societies that actually sometimes silence us before we speak. So Naomi, thank you for being a vessel. Thank you for speaking for so many of us. The sisterhood is super proud of you, and I hope that everybody that is here can carry a message of light and hope. Thank you. I'm super proud of you, and the sisterhood is proud of you. I'm not that emotional, but actually your book got me emotional. Everybody knows that I'm a very tough and strong person. But yeah, more than a crown, we are human beings. We can be emotional. We are very soft people beyond the exterior facade that everybody sees. Getting to see that Naomi could cry, Naomi hit rock bottom to a point of having depression, and seeing the bubbly personality that Naomi portrays online, that shows that there is so much more to people. Let's learn to give grace to people. Let's learn to give people hope. And it's indeed more than a crown. So, Keza, answering your question, I totally relate with whatever Naomi wrote, but in my own perspective. Indeed, there is so much more to the pageant platforms. There is so much more to the winners of the beauty pageants than the exterior facade that everybody looks or sees. And unfortunately, this exterior facade that everybody sees has stolen the joy of the true beauty, has stolen the joy from the society to see the platform or the beauty queen or the winners for the true beauty that they are. And honestly, if I can speak from my own experiences, Naomi talked about the bullying, and oh my God. You all know what it is when you speak about Jolie online. Very debatable by a lot of people. And these are one of the reasons. One of the ways that these platforms impact young women is it's not just all about the glitz and the glam. Yes, there is the joy. It's a dream come true. There's the glitz and the glam of it. But there is much more to it. There's platforms for a young woman to voice what they believe in, to make a difference in societies. And this is what most of the people in the societies do not understand. The platforms are not about taking pictures. They're not about photo shoots. They're about a cause. But sadly, we are robbed of the joy because of the perception and the growing stereotype and the stigma around these beauty pageant platforms. And once a woman gets exposed to the society, an 18 or 19-year-old, what does an 18-year or 19-year-old really know? You are subjected to public scrutiny. You are subjected to unfair prejudice by the society because of the perception about the platform. And I'm very happy that Naomi was really, you documented everything properly in the book, and people can get to know behind what happens behind the closed doors. There are beautiful platforms, but they can also work at the detriment of a person. How has the platform shaped me as a person? I believe that it has helped me to foster personal development. It has helped me to embrace responsibility beyond self, to be able to voice and to stand for what I believe in and to make a change in society. Good platforms, but we need a conducive environment. We need a support system of people like you that are here that have come to support Naomi, not just for beauty queens, but